Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your business acumen with Wharton Online step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your specific business goals. Determine the areas where you wish to improve your acumen. Research Wharton Online's course offerings. Visit the Wharton Online website to explore various programs. Look for courses that align with your objectives. Consider factors such as course duration and content focus. Create an account on Wharton Online if you haven't already. Fill in the necessary personal and payment information. Once registered, browse through the course catalog. Select a course that sparks your interest and aligns with your goals. Review the course syllabus to understand what topics will be covered. Check the prerequisites to ensure you are adequately prepared. Enroll in the selected course to confirm your participation. Set aside dedicated time each week to engage with the course material. Start the course by reviewing introductory videos and resources. Take thorough notes while watching lectures and reading assigned texts. Participate in discussions and forums to enhance your understanding. Connect with instructors and peers for insights and clarifications. Complete all assignments and assessments on time to reinforce your learning. Apply the knowledge gained in real-world business scenarios. Reflect on your progress and how your business acumen has evolved. Consider taking additional courses to deepen your expertise. Network with fellow students and alumni for professional growth opportunities. Stay updated with new offerings from Wharton Online to further your development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.